Look at this. There are 4,152 subscribers in my trading group, and we're killing it. I got a few shout outs to give on my trading group. This person stated, signed up for VIP Elite, took your suggestion. I doubled my money in less than a week. This person, I'm up $58,000 in 10 days. I've got a cryptocurrency trading group. I've got 6 chat groups where everybody's calling out breakouts, posting charts, working together to trade this market. I've got 41 videos in a playlist. If you don't know anything about trading at all, nothing, you can watch these videos. You'll be making profitable trades. Number one reason why people join my trading group is I post profitable trading setups every single day, and we've been killing it. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, you want to pay in crypto, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. I'll get you set up and in the group today. You pay for 6 months in crypto, you get a 20% discount. You pay for the year in crypto, you get an additional month for free and a 30% discount. If you do want to pay with a card month to month on a monthly basis, you can do so. There's a Patreon link that's in the description. I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto daily. Before we jump into this video, I want to ask you guys, smash a like button for me, subscribe to the channel. Jumping right into the market today in crypto, Bitcoin. Real quick, I'm doing a $500 Bitcoin giveaway this week. In order to win, you've got to be a subscriber to the channel. You've got to like the video. You've got to leave a comment in the comment box below. I'm going to pick a random comment from the next 6 days to win $500 in Bitcoin. Let's go, bull run ready. Bitcoin 1 hour chart. Previously, Bitcoin broke out of this falling wedge. The price action came back down and essentially retested this upper trend line. Now, you can see this previous high. This has formed a resistance level. Your price action right now, I mean, Bitcoin had an amazing run recently, and now the bulls need to break above this level. The question is, it would be completely normal to see some type of retrace because your strongest group of buyers is going to be in this area waiting for some type of pullback. Okay. So if this happens and then continuation to the upside is possible, looking for, potentially 39,950, 41,100 and 42,000. After that, at some point, the bulls work their way up and test this all-time high level. When this breaks out, you're looking for about $48,000, $50,000 Bitcoin. Bull run ready. Let's go. I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he made $18,000 in 7 days. He said, I've been making 20% easy with these setups. This person made 39% on Aave. Now he's writing KSM. So I posted this setup in group. Aave, 48% gains. This thing, moon mission. Remember, DeFi coins and decentralized exchanges. You want to hold those coins. Those are the coins to be in. Okay, tremendous upside. This young lady stated, I joined the group under a month ago. I started with $16,000, and now I'm up to $27,000. Made $11,000 in a month. This gentleman, he said 2021's been epic. In 34 days, I'm up $120,000. You can see he had $118,000 on December 31st, and now he's at $239,000. Epic gains. Remember, these are all brand new traders. I taught these people how to trade. They came in, they joined the trading group. I've got 48 videos in a playlist that will blow your mind. It's really simple to understand these ideas. I've trained thousands and thousands and thousands of people how to trade this market successfully. This is the biggest financial opportunity of your lifetime. You can do this. If you guys want to join the cryptocurrency trading group, if you pay in crypto right now, it's 50% off. So to my website, cryptorev.net. Grayscale Investment Holdings, Bitcoin, they added, so in the last 24 hours, Grayscale bought these. Only about 16 Bitcoin, 47,000 Ethereum loaded up. Ethereum, obviously, all-time highs today. Litecoin, they added 12,000 Litecoin. So, again, over the past week, they've added a ton of altcoins, Ethereum and LTC. 21 Shares is going to list Polka Dot ETP, which I gave you a Polka Dot setup yesterday. We're going to talk about that. So this is on a Swiss exchange. It's essentially an ETP similar to an ETF, but people are excited about Polka Dot. Lots of upside here. IOHK, we've got an ADA setup coming I'm going to talk to you about. IOHK, they've reported that Cardano testnet is officially in the multi-asset era. They forked and applied the Goguen Mary native token upgrade to the testnet environment. Next stop is the mainnet by the end of the month. Watch ADA. 400 million USDT was minted earlier. Money machine. Must be the money. Just keep printing it. Keep printing that. Bitcoin will keep on exploding. Ontology has a MoveX partnership with Mobility Daimler. Keep an eye on Ontology. They have a lot of partnerships. I've talked to you guys previously about a 1 inch, and I want to give you the setup on this, just something I've been watching. Remember, this is a decentralized aggregator, so it's going to shop around for the best price on decentralized exchanges. Mooniswap, Uniswap, version 1 and 2, SushiSwap, Bancor, BNT, Balancer. I've got a setup on that for you guys today. DeFi Swap, Kyber, 0x, Oasis, SakiSwap, LuaSwap. Okay, so again, it's going to shop around for the best prices. How many people in crypto like the best price? I think this is going to get a lot of traction and has a lot of upside. Now, it's up tremendously already, but if you look, I mean, it's the number 4 decentralized exchange. We know that SushiSwap is just, if you missed Uniswap and you missed SushiSwap, Venus, XVS, 1 inch is a new guy on the street and it's ready to, I mean, it's going to shop around for the best prices. So let's take a look at that setup real quick, actually. So this is, again, it's up tremendously. It was 75 cents and now it's $5. You've got a ascending triangle forming. And this could take a little bit to break out, but the thing is going to be price discovery, and it's going to be, you know, very, very bullish breakout here to see this break to the upside. If you were to pull some targets on it, you'd be looking around $5.50, $5.85, $5 or $6.18, $6.66, and possibly $7.50. So again, one more push higher. Is that possible for 1 inch? Keep an eye on this. If you're not using Binance International, you're missing out. There's a Binance link in the description for the exchange. Definitely recommend it. Tons of liquidity, all these new coins. People are making a ton of money on Binance right now. If you're in the United States, you have to use PureVPN. There's a link for PureVPN in the description. Ethereum had the highest daily close ever. Huge gains there. This is ADEX, and I'm gonna talk about these coins. So there's a bunch of smaller, maybe not even very popular cryptos that just run. They run hard during altcoin season. You know, I couldn't tell you what a lot of these projects even are, but they pump hard. So I posted this setup earlier today. We got 54% gains out of this. And you see I put this yellow arrow. Like some of these coins, you just get these crazy pumps. The whales pump these coins. If you're in them, you almost have to be in them before they pump. Have alerts set and take profits quickly because they sell off fast. This is a 4-hour candle. I mean, it's half of it's a wick. So that means people took profits real quick. So I talked to you about Grayscale, or an Atom, Cosmos yesterday. I want to give you that setup to keep an eye on because potentially they're working on a Stargate upgrade on February the 18th. I think it's still being voted on, but we'll double check with that. Grayscale added Atom as well, so they're loaded up on Atom. Let's take a look at Atom real quick. Okay, and so I posted this previously. It's broken out. Atom's, worked its way higher from $7.90 to about $9. So, I mean, since we originally started buying it in the group, we're up about 18% in about 5 days. Okay, the big move is coming here. So this is forming a big handle. You see that? Forming a big handle. These cup and handles are epic, but they start off with a falling wedge and then turn into a handle. Targets are up here. $10.30, $10.90, $11.60, $12.50. Potentially you're looking at $14 Atom over time. But look, you've got this huge consolidation period. Cup and handle, right? Don't miss this one. There's some upside here, okay? This is Polka Dot. You guys remember this one? Well, you should, because 13,243 people watched this video yesterday. Buy the bull pennant breakout. Boom, broke to the upside. So it ran from about $17 to about $21. So solid gains in a day out of Polka Dot, 20% max gains. This just thing, man, Polka Dot, I'm telling you, it's going to be one of those coins. Like when on Bitcoin pullbacks, you want to add some Polka Dot to your bags. When Bitcoin pulls back, that's the best entry. A lot of these altcoins, they're up considerably. You know, if there is any type of Bitcoin pullback, and I mean, potentially there could be, you know, how big is a pullback going to be? Is healthy retracement is not a negative sign for Bitcoin right here. But Dot, one to watch. You know, Link, you want to have Link in your bag as well. We're going to talk about Link. I got to set up for Link. Listen, I'm giving away $500 in Bitcoin this week. Make sure, like the video. 2,000 people out of 13,000 liked the last video. What happened here? You guys got too much Bitcoin? $500? Subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment. I'm going to pick a random person in the next 6 days. YFI. Yearn Finance. 13,200 people saw this from yesterday. In a day. This type of upside, about 7% gain. So, I mean, respectable. However, you know, YFI has been lagging. It's got some upside. I mean, I think we see over time $80,000 YFI, I think, is in the cards. Possibly $100,000 YFI as well. It just hasn't really taken off yet. ADA. We got to talk about ADA. ADA's got some news. You guys remember this one? I posted this February the 1st for you guys. 13,500 people saw this. Possible retest. Right? Whenever there's a retest, all the buyers are sitting right here ready to buy. And they did. Right? And remember, these large caps, I mean, they're not going to move like the small caps. It takes a ton of money to move the larger cap coins. Right? Hundreds of millions of dollars. So they're not going to move like the smaller cap DeFi coins that I talked to you about, 1 inch, GRT. GRT's got a good setup too right now. What I was looking at is the upper trend line, because it looks like it's respecting the upper trend line right here, right? And so then, I mean, do we assume? So I mean, bottom line is this: if it breaks out, there's a bunch of upside. If it doesn't, then maybe you have to assume that it comes back down here to this lower trend line. Okay, so something to look out for. If this happens, then you're looking for, a falling wedge, and then that's your aggressive buy, right, where you buy the breakout of that level, and it would also be a retest of this previous level. If you do get a breakout here, your measured move for ADA, if it breaks out higher to the upside, which it'll go parabolic, and you're looking for 56-cent ADA if this happens. Make or break right now for ADA. They got a bunch of news. ADA, I mean, they're talking about the next step is mainnet. They're talking about the end of the month. Should be a good month for ADA. BAL. So you want to buy the breakout of this level. I've talked to you about Balancer a few times. The question is, are you going to get this pullback and get this handle and then a retest? Either way, you want to essentially buy the breakout of this level. It's going to go parabolic, right? You got this huge, deep cup and handle. Or, well, at this point, it's a rounded bottom, right? Could be a cup and handle. But the way you get these targets is the depth of the cup, right? And so, I mean, that gives it a tremendous amount of upside. I mean, you could see $58 balancer right here. Ethereum, all the talk today, broke out to the upside. Here's a rising wedge, supposed to break lower, broke higher, parabolic gains. Now, there's going to be a bunch of profit taking in this area potentially. Okay, so watch out for that. Some type of pullback and retest would be completely normal. The target here, again, there's some profit taking at 1700, 1800, 1940s measured move that I have right now for your Ethereum. I mean, I think Ethereum sees $4,000 and $6,000 over time. There's some talks about the Ethereum CME futures opening on the 8th. And, potentially that wasn't good for Bitcoin.
But again, Bitcoin was at the end of a market cycle when that happened. And so just remember that you've got Ethereum, CME futures coming. There's, potential that big money's going to be shorting Ethereum. Just something to, again, can't trade solely on this idea, but just something that you have to consider. People are talking about it. I'll put it that way. I'm just putting it out there. Link USDT. So this one hasn't really taken off yet. I mean, it's up ridiculous. It's up 100x since its inception. So when I say hasn't taken off, I mean over the last week. The most important part is you're buying the breakout at this level at about 25.45. All right, and so it's flagging right now. You got some consolidation. If this thing breaks out to the upside, you're looking for, at some point, $28.75 link, $30.40 link, $33.50 link. Okay, a lot of upside here. Link is, again, one of those coins you want to think about having it in your long-term bag. It's going to be solid. It's got some upside to it. Real quick, back to 8x. Sometimes you'll see these charts and you just get these massive, giant green candles of altcoin goodness. Like, look at 8x. It just pumps crazy. Like, they just pump the crap out of it. And then it sells off. Look at this. Look at all the wicks. I mean, this is non-organic. This is, S-coin status. This is crypto. These are great pumps if you're in it. Like, you don't want to chase these pumps. Like the Doge pump, the XRP pump. Like, you want to position yourself in these. But what you want to do is you want to find these altcoins that haven't completely just exploded. You're going to get a lot of cup and handles down here. See how you got this cup and handle by the breakout of this level. Boom. It broke out. 54% gains. Huge. I mean, think about that. How long does it take? Everybody gets excited about Ethereum making 30% gains in 2 days. This thing makes 54% gains in an hour, or actually about 3 hours. CIS hasn't broken out yet. So in July, last alt season, this is CIS BTC. I mean, essentially, you've got this yellow trend line. You're going to buy the breakout of this, okay? And again, this is potentially, a lot of people might not even be familiar with this coin, but it's got a good technical pattern. It's got, essentially a cup and handle, okay? But look what CIS did back in July. And these altcoins, you're not even going to know what they are. And they just go completely parabolic. Look at this. Here it's 345 sats. And look at that, moon mission, like in no time. In a week, it shoots up to 1,800 sats. I mean, 5x'd in no time. It's just like altcoin season, that's all you can say. So CIS has this potential. Like a lot of these altcoins, they have this potential. Make sure, get your trading game, your TA game up to speed. I can teach you everything I know. Check out my trading group. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, comment below, hit the bell for notifications. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.